Sean here again, and just doing another little video here to show you what I've done so far on the new app. As you can see right down here, that's the logo, or that's the icon rather, yeah. Okay, hit that guy and open them up. Jason, like you were talking about, it's basically a copy of what you see out on the website now. Now you'll notice the top 3 things consumed tour dates, YouTube videos, those are all relative. You'll see underneath that where iPhone developers, iCal and Google Calendar, Play Nice, blah blah blah. Those things underneath are called secondary links, and those will all be updated through the website too. I want to go ahead and move it underneath blackcobra.net so we can actually, start putting some of the right information in there in place and everything. So let me just walk you through it real quick. Basically, each one of these things is touchable and the screen moves. So you see how the screen slides up and down with your thumb. And then let's go into the YouTube videos. So just click it and it goes. I got just a couple of videos here, and this button that you see over here, that's the button for the on the iPhone for YouTube. So iPhone users will recognize it. So you can click that or the video itself, and it will go out. Did I get it? I didn't get it. There we go. It'll go out, it figures out what video it is, and it loads the YouTube player. And then here it goes kicking off into the video. Okay? So, like most web applications, the drawback here is when they click that video, now they're actually in YouTube. And when they stop it, it takes them back into YouTube. When we get the actual native application done, that won't happen. It'll take them back to the website, but for now, that's really the only way to do it. But the nice thing is you do get dropped at a nice Black Cobra page with other Black Cobra videos, and so that's not so bad. Right? So into the app again real quick, because I want to show you the Google Maps feature too. And there's one other thing too, it also links directly to the iTunes store. So we're going to run through both of those real quick here. The app is loading again. There you go. And so now let's go into the maps, which you're going to find here in the tour dates. There we go. Got it. Boom, there it goes. Now, a couple of your dates that you had in there recently. The buy tickets link the email it works, and the map it works. The email it, what that does when you hit that, it opens a new email with the date and the location and a Google Maps location of the event itself. So like if someone was on there and they wanted to send it to a friend, they hit that email button, it pops up the automatic email, and away it goes. The map it is the one that I really wanted to show you. You hit map it, and boom, you can see it opens up the Google Maps application on the phone, and it locates Velvet Jones. Now that's cool and all, but check this out. Using the built-in function, they hit this button, which is the current location. It says, do you want to use it? I say yeah. And it's going to find me, right? We tell it we want to get directions. And you see right there, current location to Santa Barbara. And route. And it figures out I'm in Johnson City, and it's only going to be 2,371 miles and take me a couple of days. You get the idea though, right guys? And then from here they can do this start, and it walks them right through actual directions. Up here it'll also tell you public transit and walking if it's possible. So like in San Fran, that would public transit and walking directions to where you're going. Alright, so back out of that, back into the app. Now, what happens here, every time the app opens is it comes right back to where it was again. Can't do anything really, it's updating. That's a built-in feature, so that when they come to the front page, they'll always get updated. So, back to here. Alright, last, consume. Up at the top, takes you into an album listing for you guys. I got all of them listed in there, all the ones you got on iTunes. You hit the iTunes button. Again, this is the same button on the iPhone that iPhone users are used to. And it grabs a web page to figure out where we're going. And then it actually dumps you right into the iTunes application on the iPhone. And from right here you can buy tracks, right? So that's it, guys. That's pretty much the highlights. I think this thing's pretty much ready to go. The next thing we need to do is set up the back end part, which is getting that WordPress blog done, and then we'll fill it in with some information and get you going. The next application, the native application, would be a little bit different. It'll look different, it'll function different, it'll be a little quicker and a little bit more focused. But I think this is a great starting place, and we can distribute this really easily directly on the Black Cobra website, and we can make a real slick, real easy page for the iPhone users to get it on there and get it on their phone. So that's it, guys. Happy New Year. Hope you're doing all right. See y'all.